Sir Matt. Sir, salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa mga school administrators, educators po, mga magulang at mga estudyante ng National Orthopedic Hospital School. Ako po, isa lang po ako sa mga nagre-represent from the GenPact organization. Unang-una po, maraming salamat po sa pag-spend ng time with us at pagpapatuloy niyo po sa amin dito po sa eskwelahan, paaralan po ninyo para po kami po ay maki-celebrate po sa ating mga estudyante. Kanina po nung pinapanood ko po si Joshua at si Jefferson at yung mga estudyante po natin sa paaralan, I can't help but look back po. Talagang lahat naman tayo nagmula sa pagiging estudyante. Parang sarap-sarap lang ang maging bata. To be carefree and to be ourselves. Right? So sana yung mga estudyante natin, yung mga magulang, mga educators, I know you already know this, but let me remind you lang po na sana yung time that we have, we enjoy and make the most out of it. Yung time po ng mga magulang natin with our children, let's cherish that. Yung mga estudyante natin, let's take the time para mag-enjoy yung kabataan natin, tsaka to learn and to build connections and lifelong friendships. Okay? At I also want to address yung mga volunteers natin from GenPact. This is not something new, pero I just wish to remind you of what I've learned from my previous leaders din. Na something that, a gift that we can give to other people that's really valuable is oras or panahon or time. At yung oras na ginugol nyo for you to stay and to be with us and to celebrate with our family here in NOHS or NOH School, hindi na maibabalik yun. So something that you have given them, that's already a huge gift. At maraming salamat for imparting your time with us and sharing it with our family here in NOH School. Sana po sa mga future partnerships po namin, patuloyin niyo pa rin po kami dito sa inyong tahanan. Muli po, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you po, Sir Matt. Opo.